Thank you for joining us today, and welcome to the Sold Listings and Comps webinar. Before we get started, I'd like to show you all where you can find more of our upcoming WolfNet webinars. Here on the homepage of wolfnet.com, we have the next 4 webinars coming up. To see what webinars are available during the month of September, click on More Webinars, and here you can see the upcoming webinars on the schedule. We are now offering recordings of our webinars as an added feature. If you missed a webinar, you can now search here for a recorded webinar. If you have any questions after watching a recorded webinar, you can contact our service department by emailing them at service@wolfnet.com or by calling area code 612-342-0088 and asking for our service department. Our topic today is sold and comp listings. Let's begin. My name is Eric Johnson, and I will be showing you how to feature sold listings on the WolfNet IDX search solution. Also joining us today is Jay Nepper, who will be taking any questions during the webinar. If you have a question after the conclusion of today's webinar, please contact our service department, and they will be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Today we will be covering how to feature sold listings as well as how that information is displayed on the search solution itself. This will include how sold listings can be searched, and we'll also be identifying how the data is displayed on the search solution. This includes how to search for sold listings, how the data is presented on the following pages: the search results page, listing details page, favorites, and the SearchSaver page. The sold search on the WolfNet search solution allows a user to search for sold listings. The sold data is obtained directly from the respective MLS. Also, the search parameters allow the user to search between 1 and 24 months of sold listings. Sold data is highlighted on individual listings, and sold data is an add-on service to the base search solution. If you would like to add the feature to your search, please note the contact information provided at the end of the webinar, and that can be added to your search. Searching sold listings can be done by selecting the Sold Search Type button, located here among the search types. This will change the search so that only sold listings are returned in the search. You are also able to select the number of months of data to be returned up to 24 months, and that is selected with this drop-down here. The search results box will show how many listings meet your search criteria, as well as how many listings are available in total for the search type that you've chosen. If you've opted to have map tracks added to your search solution, you can also search sold listings using the same features. As with the form-based search, only sold listings will be returned in this search. The map tracks house overview will display the sold banner on the thumbnail image as well as the sold price located here. Sold listings are identified on the results pages by the banner on the thumbnail. Sold price will also be displayed on the results page as well. The listing details page will display the sold banner on the primary image here, and sold price will also be displayed on the results pages here, along with the listing status of sold. As with the search results page, the favorites page will display the sold banner on the thumbnail image, and as with the results pages, the sold price is displayed here as well, along with the listing status. Listings sold 24 months ago or longer will automatically be removed from your favorites folder, as the data usually is only allowed to go back 24 months. Sold searches can be saved via the SearchSaver function. As with favorites, once you have created and authenticated your account on the search solution, you can save a sold search. To save a sold search, simply select the Recent Searches button on your search solution, and there you will see a list of your recent searches. Searches will have the criteria listed in the lower left corner of the Save Search area. So you'll notice here the search type of sold properties along with the listing status of sold or comp sold. Custom URLs that target sold listings can be created and placed on your website. This creates a direct link to sold listings in your market without having to go through the search solution itself. This also allows for marketing specific to sold listings on your website. You can also add other search criteria to the URL, such as specific cities, areas, and prices, in addition to other criteria you may want to target in the custom link. Custom search URLs can be created by using the URL Search Builder tool located in your back office. This concludes the Sold Listings and Comps webinar for today. Remember, get signed up for additional webinars or get caught up on our recorded webinars at wolfnet.com/webinars. Make sure to follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook for product and features releases. Thank you again for taking part in the Sold Listings and Comps webinar. For any other questions, please contact our service department.